You're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, feel free. If you're happy and you know it, it's so hard to wait. Over the river and through the woods, now grandmother's cat hides by. Hooray for the fun, is a pudding done? Hooray for the pumpkin pie. Hooray for the fun, is a pudding done? Hooray for the pumpkin pie. Yes, she offered me a chair. She has ringlets in her hair. She's a young pig and cannot